In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Outlook automatic reply. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, need to open Outlook application on your computer, then click on this View tab, and then click on View Settings. Now on the search field, search for automatic reply, and click on it. To set up automatic reply, first need to enable turn on automatic reply. And if you want to send automatic reply only during a time period, then need to check mark on this. Why is leave it blank? But let me show you how you can send automatic reply for a certain time. Now you need to add extra time and then end time. And if you want to decline the invitation for event, then you can check mark on this. And if you want to decline and cancel your meeting during this period, then again you can check mark on this. Now you need to type your message. And if you want to send reply only to your contact, then you can check mark on this. Or if it's leave it blank. And lastly, click on save button. Then automatic reply will be enabled. By following this tutorial, you can easily set up Outlook automatic reply.